bad for the first one, right? Ta-da. It's a napkin holder. Alrighty, well, all in all, I'm happy. It ain't perfect, far from it. Like you can see, that foot versus that foot, that horn versus that horn. I think that has more to do with the plasma cutter than the actual file that I have. But it's my first one, guys. Look at that. Pretty cool. So once I get that kind of fixed, I think it needs a new some new consumables on there to make it cut a little bit better. And then we can go to town on this stuff. But yeah, so from here I can, again, once we get it all cut out real nice, I took off some of the slag, and that's just usually done with some pliers. You pop it off and then come back with a grinder and grind it all flat and smooth. And then from there you can powder coat it if you want to. You can paint it whatever color you want. Yeah, pretty neat. Putting these napkins gives it kind of a good contrast. But all right, hang on just a second. Okay, so I don't know how much of that we caught or not, but tonight was just the first run. I wanted to run some plasma, basically. That nice little bracket that I had on here, after talking to the guys at Torchmate, which again, by the way, they are an amazing group of guys up there. That nice little bracket, he said, yeah, you need the controller as far away from the plasma cutter as possible. He says they recommend 6 feet, but I can't do that here. So basically, he says that these give off a little bit of radiation, and it can mess with the controller and your computer. So try to get them as far away as you can. Again, they recommend 6 feet or as much as possible. So I have this here. My computer is stuffed up underneath there, and then the controller is on the other side. So the way we fixed this is that he added, I don't remember which one it was, but he added one of these motors to the I guess to the board, and then we got both of these in sync with each other, calibrated those, and everything seems to be working good. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put, probably right here or somewhere along these lines, I'm going to put a swinging arm, and that's where the computer will sit. So whenever I'm not using this, I can swing it out of the way. Whenever I need to use it, I can swing it out and tap tap. And so there we go. Again, all in all, I'm pretty happy about it. It was all in all, really happy about it. It actually cut. So I think I need to get new consumables put on, find out exactly what consumables I need to get to make sure that I get the correct ones for the amperage that I'm using and all that stuff. So yeah, just a somewhat quick video. I just want to kind of do an update. I've been needing to do this, but super busy with everything. So alrighty, y'all comment, rate. We'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. See ya.